Hi, this is James Page here in Amsterdam at the FTTH Conference 2025. And I've managed to find some time with ACOME Group's Xavier Renard, who has been in 2 workshops today. And we've got a little bit of time to get some further details on both of those sessions. 2 separate workshops, but there were themes and things that link the 2 together.
Yeah, exactly. So we had this morning a first workshop dealing with sustainability and how we can help the sector to decarbonize. And actually, we just ended with a second one in which we were explaining that there are different multiple ways to make savings, and especially there is a lot of waste of cable going on in the field. And basically, if we have less waste, it means that we'll be more sustainable.
Yeah, absolutely. And that means that has a real impact for something called Scope 3. Maybe it might be worth just mentioning what that is, but it's about taking a much more holistic view of the whole fiber ecosystem.
Yeah, and coming back to the workshop we had this morning, actually, for those who are familiar with Scope 1, 2, and 3, the Scope 3 is usually the biggest one and coming from what you purchase. And so what we found in the second workshop, and we demonstrated with a new offer we've been launching, is that there can be up to 10 or even 15% of waste. So if you decrease your waste, you will decrease your Scope 3.
Great. And you've led us quite nicely into talking about a couple of those specific products that have been launched by ACOME Group recently, the Eco platform, and of course, the QR drum. Maybe give us a bit more detail on both of those.
Yeah, the FTTH Eco platform is a program launched by the FTTH Council. So ACOME was behind to support, but actually was also launched by other members who participated to this. The target is to help any company within the value chain to make their assessment of their own organization and create the momentum so that they can little by little decrease. And by the way, to support them in this, we've been launching a few weeks ago an offer called QR Drum. Actually, that's quite a simple offer, just a QR code on drum, an app, and a cloud interface in which all the data will be stored. And through different dashboards, you will be in position very easily to eliminate the waste. And that would be a way for the operators to decrease their Scope 3. So coming back to the Eco platform.
Perfect. So either of those 2 products, if people want to find out a bit more, they need to go and look at the ACOME Group website. But Xavier, thank you so much for giving us a little bit of insight into all of that. Thank you.
Thank you.